guys, this is the Fry Crew, and today we're gonna make some slime. So the first thing you need is some Elmer's glue. So you're just gonna put the whole thing in the bowl, like put the whole thing in there. It's really hard to get out, but after a minute, it just comes out.
Yes, they also have glitter kind and all kinds of stuff, but you can do that. That's just optional.
And after this, you would add food coloring, but we're just gonna keep it white. So next, you're going to add some baking soda.
We use
You don't put too much, or it will.
You can just do this with your hands, but we're using these.
Okay, now some contact lens solution. And there's not a measurement for contact lens solution. You just put like a little at a time, like I don't know, like that much at a time. Because if you put too much, then it'll be hard and
you don't want that.
And just keep adding some little by little. So you just keep adding until
And if you want, you could add some baby oil to make it a little bit more soft and stretchy.
but we're not going to do it.
Okay, then you just keep stirring. And then after a minute, when it starts coming together, then you can put your hands in. But you just have to add just a little bit. Sorry for the lighting, it's not very bright in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hands in. And first you just put one hand in because it's probably better that way. So you can keep adding afterwards. Okay, yeah. So you gotta keep stirring it around, and then you just keep adding just a little bit at a time while you're mixing with your one hand that's in there. Until it starts coming together, and then when it starts coming out the bowl, you can. So you just gotta keep stirring it until it starts coming together. See how it's coming out the sides? That means that's how you know it's outside. Okay, then you just keep adding little by little. If you add too much, then it's running too much. That's why you add a little by a time. Coming up the sides, so it's almost ready. And we'll have a white slime. We'll put it out. Try a little bit more. And if it doesn't come together with the thing in the salt afterwards, then you can tell then you didn't add enough baking soda. Then it starts coming off, and you just gotta try to get it to come together. Because it is gonna be very sticky. Because it's pretty much just glue, pretty much. So if you can get it out of the bowl, you can put it on the table. And then you guys just knead it until it starts coming off. And then once you get it off your hands, you can start playing with it.
Hey, if you liked our first video, like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below.
And if you want to see more videos from us, let us know.
Bye, that was how to make slime.